everybody, what is up and welcome back to Psychonauts with the TheMKninja. Last time we left off, we're doing the levitation course, and now we're doing a race.
Fast you are, darling. Ready? Get
Set.
Go, baby, go!
I don't know how I go faster. Oh, I'll go through these. I'm assuming these probably make me go faster. Yeah, woohoo! This is kind of cool. I don't know if this really does make me go faster, though. I mean, I feel faster. It doesn't really make me counter much, though, if I feel faster. Okay, so I am ahead. I can see a little score marker right there. And I see sexy boots. Cool. Good touch. Nice touch. I appreciate that. As a freak. Oh, God. Oh, super speed. Super speedy. Go! Woohoo! That was awesome. At least it felt awesome. Oh, God, more super speed. Holy shit. Speedy, speed, 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 speed. All the speed. Give me all the speed, motherfuckers. Fuck yeah. Woo! This is actually really cool. I was undergrading it before, but this is pretty fucking cool. This game is awesome. Why have more people not played this? Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. Woohoo! Oh, jump over that. Oh, okay, I got over that. Oh, Bobby Zilch is getting close. He's getting close, unfortunately. I can't waste any time. I can't waste any time. He's really close to me. And I gotta get new Psi power rank at 20. I win! Yeah, suck it, Bobby!
You're quick like greasy lightning.
Greasy
I'm
lightning?
So proud of you, darling.
Yay!
You're so fast, you'll be at my party in no time, eh?
Oh, you're still having that party, huh? I thought that was the end of it. Alright.
Okay, if you want to get up to where the action is, you're going to have to do a lot of floating in this room, baby.
Okay.
Good thing you're so light on your feet.
Yes, I know how to do the float. I know how to do that. At least I remember how to do it. Okay, no. I love how it says beat stupid Bobby Zilch instead of just beat Bobby Zilch. Personality, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, no, stop grinding. Stop grinding on all the ladies. That's creepy. No one wants you to do that, dude. That's a bad thing to do.
If you float in some areas, you might get a little more oomph than usual.
Oh shit, oh shit. Bubbles! Fucking bubbles! Oh shit, I gotta go all the way over there. Okay. Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. I'm moving in a different direction. Not the direction I want to go in. And we take the bubble path onward to victory! For Narnia! For the Queen! Why do I keep saying for the Queen? Why is it a common thing that happens? Oh, what did that do? Oh, I see what that did.
You're going to have to use your Psi float again to get those rings spinning.
Oh, shit. Where are the rings? That's not fucking helpful. Okay, that was bad. Okay, and... hit. And can I get it? Nope. Huh. I love how it's like a balloon. That's awesome. And oh, I can still float. I didn't know I could still float. I thought I had to make this again. All right, that was good to. That would have been good to know fucking earlier. Whee! We're on air. Okay, I grabbed the on air thing. The party. Don't miss. Fucking fantastic.
Who's that I see.
Me.
It's Rasputin, the rolling rock star, in the flesh. And just in time, the party was dying without you, darling.
It doesn't look like it.
I have a little party favor for you.
Yeah! Fuck yeah. And that's 3 out of 8. Yay! I can make balls now.
Cute.
Raz. You're getting somewhere in the world.
Don't be a stranger, darling.
Thank you, Agent Vodello.
Woo.
Now it's back to the lab to save Dogen.
Dogen's not in the lab, sweetie. He's watching TV in the lodge with the other children.
I meant the dream Dogen from my brain tumbler vision. If I can find out what's happening to him, maybe that would give me a clue about who stole real Dogen's brain.
Oh, I'm afraid he's just like that.
Why does everyone keep that's a dick move? Okay, I'm sorry, but that's a dick thing for a teacher to say. I was liking you earlier. Return to the brain tumbler in Sasha's lab. Okay, so that's pretty easy to get to know. So I need to know how. Okay, let's go back to Sasha's lab. I'll return. All right, I have returned, and we're gonna go ahead and possibly save someone. I don't know, maybe. Hello, Sasha.
Okay, I'm a certified levitator now.
Awesome.
Ready to roll.
I've been running some tests. It seems that the sensitive circuitry of the brain tumbler is picking up too much psychic interference to be safe. The thoughts of some other entity are interlacing with yours at a dangerous level, which explains many of the strange things you've seen. I must call off the experiments until we know more.
Sasha, there's no time. I think my vision about Dogen came true. I'm worried it's gonna happen to the others if we don't get to the bottom of this quick.
But we don't know where the foreign projections are coming from yet.
We gotta save everyone.
Is there a faster way to find out than sending me in there to investigate?
Yeah, you know, I'm a fucking daredevil. I can do this shit. I can do this. You just gotta believe in me. Believe in the me that believes in you. Gurren the God. There are a lot of places in here. I'm going in my mind. The brain tumbler experiment. Okay. We're going in here. The brain tumbler. Yay. Alright. Now we gotta climb this evil-looking tree. Hello there, Mr. Bunny. I missed you. I missed you so much. Oh, that's gross. That was scary. I didn't expect that. Jesus Christ. That was pretty fucking creepy. Oh shit, oh shit. Hey. Oh wait, oh, okay. Okay. And I go somewhere. Oh, I go right up here.
Why are you screaming? All right, I remember.
Oh, that's... Oh, Jesus. What the fuck? Oh!
Oh, good boy. There's that pesky brain.
Oh,
Here's a
okay.
tissue. Now,
He sneezed it
don't you
out.
feel better, my dear lad?
TV?
Of course! Right here! And this bad tooth, we'll just drop it in the old garbage chute. Now don't chew solid foods for 6 hours!
Oh no. Oh shit. We gotta save our girlfriend.
TV.
Oh god, this got dark. Press 1 to open the hatch. Let's go in the hatch. Let's go in the hatch. Let's get that brain back. Okay, that's gross. Yep. What the shit? Okay, that's bad. Don't grab that brain. No, give it back. I'm sorry, what? Hold on a minute. What the fuck just happened? Follow Dogen's brain down the oh god. I gotta defeat that thing now? Is that how I defeat it? Destroy the blueprint brain tag. Oh god.
Man, I am so smart.
Okay, that's how I do it.
Gluttonous underbelly? Here I come.
Yeah, suck on this one, bitch. Another boss fight. It's so easy. Oh Jesus. Run, 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 run. Ow, you jackass. Fucking jack. Ah, god. My controls are backwards now.
Grenade.
Oh no. Oh Jesus. Bitch. Oh god. You still going strong, mate. Oh fuck you, mate. No, 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 fuck you. Ow. I'll avoid you by going faster. Gotta go fast, as they say. Gotta go fast? Well, fuck you. That actually worked. I didn't expect that to work. Yeah, fuck you. Is this like a mini boss or something, or is this an actual like main boss?
Ah! Target lock! Gotta hide behind something.
Yeah, I've been doing that. And what is that? What the hell did you just shoot? Haha! Suck it. And time for your last few hits. Time to go to sleep, my friend. Ow, my ears. I'll just take all of the... Ow! Really? It's not done yet? Oh god, no. Oh god, oh god, no. Oh, oh Jesus. Oh god, no. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's right. You're running away because you're scared of me, fuckwad. This is an interesting boss fight. Cool music, though. Okay, how many more hits do you have? Ah, fuck. Okay, I think you're done now. Okay, you're done. Oh shit. What just happened?
Is this a nightmare? Or a plan? Or
Oh god,
both?
he's evil.
Wait a minute.
Oh shit, what's
Excuse me,
happening?
I'm sorry. I had to abort the experiment. Something unbelievably urgent has come up and I must leave immediately.
I know! You'll never believe—
Hold that thought. In a rush. Official Psychonauts business.
Wait! So is this!
Oh no.
Official Psychonaut, eh? You forgot your...
Oh, am I doing something with that? I'm a crafty bastard.
Hey, that white room.
The fuck?
I know.
What the fuck?
Leander's mind.
What the
I was
fuck?
in the coach's dream that whole time. Ever since I stepped through the static in the caravan, it felt funny. I knew I wasn't obsessed with meat.
But Maury is. And was stealing psychic brains to arm a fleet of deadly tanks, apparently.
I've
Oh,
got to
shit.
tell Lily. She's waiting for me down by the boathouse.
Down by the water? Uh-oh. Better hurry.
What? What's happening? What's happening? Well, why? What do I need to hurry? Why do I need to hurry? Why do I need to hurry? Why the fuck do I need to hurry? What's going on? Why do I need to hurry? Can she not swim? Oh Jesus. Oh no. This is I gotta save my girlfriend. Run, Rasputin, run. Run as fast as you can. Oh, it's nighttime. Alright, I'll be back once I get to the boathouse. Actually wait, no. Let's just run. I'm sorry, what? Okay, what's happening? Why am I on fire?
Watch it.
I gotta go through this way then. Okay, I'll just be crafty. Okay, no, run, 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 run. You're not gonna deal with your ass. You're done. You're done, son. Get the fuck out of here. Oh god, there's monsters all over. Where am I going? Oh, get fuck off me. Fuck off, Mike. Fuck off, you fucking cunt. Jackass. Speeding, rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow. Oh. Lily? Are you here? Are you still alive? Are you still brain?
Bobby!
Still brain.
Look, I can explain.
Oh, his brain's gone too.
Jeez, it sounds like you caught a bad cold.
Maybe. But listen. I traced the psychic interference back to Coach Oleander's radio. He's been broadcasting his insane plot all over camp in his sleep.
So he's really kidnapping children and stealing their brains to make weapons.
Yes!
Oh shit.
Isn't that great?
What?
What?
How is that great?
Because this is an honest-to-goodness psychic emergency.
And Sasha's not here. He left on some official Psychonauts business.
We get to be heroes.
Saying the same thing.
Lily, a deranged man is building an army of psychic death tanks to take over the world. And there's no one who can stop him, except for you and me.
Oh my god! Let's make out!
What the f-
I'm just so excited. Since you showed up, Raz, things are
Oh,
so
shit.
much more exciting. Sinister death plots.
What's
mad
happening?
Scientists.
What's in the bush?
Hideous monsters.
Make out?
How long have I ignored what this camp had to offer? Everything's new to me.
What's
now,
happening?
thanks to
What
you.
the fuck?
I mean, look at this flower.
You mean like kiss?
How many years have I been coming here and I've never even noticed a cool flower like this before?
Oh no. What the shit?
Oh no! You didn't just hit my boyfriend!
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Lily!
Well, she got eaten by the frogfish from the SpongeBob movie.
Let's get him.
I can't. I can't swim.
Well,
Shit.
then use the bathysphere at the end of the dock. Quick, while the flipper prints are still glowing.
Are you coming? I don't know how to drive that thing.
I can't. I have to check on the other children. Yes. If the brains are out, they'll need supervision and possibly refrigeration. And how can you not know how to operate a bathysphere? Haven't you ever been to summer camp before?
What the hell is a
Move on
bathysphere?
Before that girl gets overly digested.
That's a disturbing image, a disturbing thought. What the fuck, man? She is the first girl to ever say she liked me. And now she's gonna get eaten by a fucking monster. Wait a minute. Bitch, you were just in my head. What the fuck? What the fuck? Whatever. Throw logic out and do the impossible. That's 15 background rules. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, that is all for this episode of Psychonauts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Also make sure to check out my supporters, all that great stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.